This dance is called Summer Over Me. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the left foot, step the left to the side, hold, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Step the right to the side, hold, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Side hold, back rock twice, off on the left. 7, 8, side hold, back rock, side hold, back rock. Into a slightly modified vine to the left. So we step the left to the side, hold, behind, side. Point the right over the left, hold, point the right back, hold. So that last little set of steps then, that vine to the left with that hold in it. 7, 8, side, hold, behind, side, point, hold, hold. Add that to the top. Side, back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, side, point, hold, hold. Point the right over the left again, hold, step back on that right, hold. Cross the left over the right, hold, make a quarter turn left as you step back on that right, hold. So yes, there are quite a few holds in this dance. That set of steps once more then, pointing across the left, off on the right. 7, 8, point, hold, back, hold, cross, hold, turn, hold. Let's add that to the top. Side, back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, side, point, hold, point, hold, back, hold, cross, hold, turn, hold. Shuffle half a turn to the left, quarter close, quarter hold. Add on a mambo cross, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right over the left, hold. That set of steps once more then, half shuffle off on that left. 7, 8, half shuffle, hold, mambo, cross, hold. Let's add that onto the top. Side hold, back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side hold, back rock, side hold, back rock, side hold, behind, side, point, hold, point, hold, back, hold, cross, hold, turn, hold, half shuffle, hold, mambo, cross, hold. So we have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn spanning those last 2 sections. So with that cross quarter turn left at the end of section 3 into that half shuffle turn to the left at the start of section 4, 3/4 of a turn. If you want to try and take that out, what you can actually do, once you've done your point, hold, back, hold, cross, hold, instead of turning a quarter left, turn a quarter right as you step forward on that right. Then rather than the half shuffle turn, just shuffle forward on the left, hold, and you can then add on your mambo cross. Non-turning steps should you need to take that 3/4 of a turn out. So that's our halfway point. Let's add on the next half of the dance. So having done our mambo cross, we're going into a rumba box off on the left. So step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward, hold. right to the side, left beside left, right back, hold. Nice easy rumba box, just do that once more off on the left. 7, 8, side close, step, hold, side close, back, hold. Shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder. Quarter, close, quarter, hold. And a further half shuffle turn, quarter, close, quarter, hold. So 2 half shuffles. Do that once more up on the left. 7, 8, half shuffle, hold, half shuffle, hold. Now obviously that is the equivalent of a full turn. If you want to take that out, just do 2 back shuffles with a hold in between. So you will do a left back shuffle, hold, right back shuffle, hold. Non-turning steps should you need to take that full turn out. So let's add that to our halfway point. Rumba box off on the left. 7, 8, side close, step, hold, side close, back, hold, half shuffle, hold, half shuffle, hold. Into a coaster step, left foot leading, back close step, hold, and a step lock forward on the right. Step, lock, step, hold. Nice and easy. Do that once more. Coaster step off on the left. 7, 8, coaster step, hold, step, lock, step, hold. Add that to our halfway point. Rumba box off on the left. 7, 8, side close, step, hold, side close, back, hold, half shuffle, hold, half shuffle, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold. Chase, half turn. So we step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, step forward on the left, hold. Step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn to the left, cross the right over the left, hold. End of dance. So that set of steps once more then, chase half turn off on the left. 7, 8, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Add that to our halfway point. Rubber box off on the left. 7, 8, side close, step, hold, side close, back, hold, half shuffle, hold, half shuffle, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, cross. So that is our 2 halves. Let's add them together. Side hold, back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side hold, back rock, side hold, back rock, side hold, behind, side, point, hold, back, hold, cross, hold, turn, hold. Half shuffle, hold, mambo, cross, hold, side close, step, hold, side close, back, hold, half shuffle, hold, half shuffle, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. That's your dance. And there's no round count in sight, so it's all single count timing. But it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Side hold, back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side hold, back rock, side hold, back rock, side hold, behind, side, point, hold, back, hold, cross, hold, turn, hold, half shuffle, hold, mambo, cross, hold, side close, step, hold, side close, back, hold, half shuffle, hold, half shuffle, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, back, rock, side, behind, side, point, 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 back, cross, turn, half shuffle, mambo, cross, side close, step, side close, back, half shuffle, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, cross. So that's your dance. Now there are 2 tags and a restart in this dance. Your first tag comes at the end of wall 1. So you'll actually be facing 6 o'clock. Effectively, it's the first 8 counts of the dance with another 4 counts added onto the end. So you're going to step the left to the side, hold, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Step the right to the side, hold, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Your extra 4 counts, you step the left to the side, hold, step the right beside the left, hold. That is your tag. So just do that tag once more then, all single count timing. Side hold, back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side hold, back rock, side hold, back rock, side hold, close, hold. So end of wall 1, let's have a go. Wall 1, add the tag and restart the dance. Side hold, back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side, back rock, side, behind, side, point, 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 back, cross, turn, half shuffle, mambo, cross, side close, step, side close, back, half shuffle, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, tag, side, back, rock, side, close, restart, side, back, rock, side, behind, side, point, point. So that's your first tag, end of wall 1. You then get to wall 5, which will be your 12 o'clock wall, and you have a restart, nice and early on, 8 counts in. So you'll basically do your side, back rock, restart, and continue. That takes you into wall 6, which is where your next tag comes, at the end of wall 6. So once you've done your restart, you know at the end of that next wall, you're going to do the next tag. It is slightly different. It's the last 4 counts of the first tag. So you will literally just step the left to the side, hold, right beside left, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. End of wall 6. So let's have a go at wall 5. Restart after 8 counts. Keep going because that is our wall 6. End of wall 6, add that tag on and restart so you can see how it fits in. Side hold, back rock, off on the left. Remember, restart after 8 counts. 7, 8, side, back rock, restart, side, back rock, side, behind, side, point, 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 back, cross, turn, a half shuffle, mambo, cross, side close, step, side close, back, half shuffle, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, tag, side, hold, close, hold, restart, side, back rock, side, back rock. So hopefully you can see where that tag fits in. So that is your 2 restarts, your 2 tags, 1 restart. First tag, end of wall 1, Side back rock, and that side close. Restart, 8 counts into wall 5, end of wall 6, side hold, close hold is your next tag. Otherwise that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music.
Looking at a light, a can of lemonade and a radio in the sand. Listen to the sounds of the boys of summer and he's gonna be my man.
5, 6, 7, 8, side, back rock, side, behind side, point, back, cross, turn, half shuffle, mambo cross, side goes back, half shuffle, coaster step, pivot cross, tag side, back rock side, close, restart, side, back rock side, behind side, point, back, cross, turn, half shuffle, mambo cross, side close step, side goes back, half shuffle, coaster step, rock step, step, pivot cross, side, back rock, rhyme, point, half shuffle, rumba, half shuffles, coaster, chase, side back rock, rumba, restart wall, restart. Side, back rock. Hope you managed that one.